I've gone through all the queries, I've gone through the last query, I've even gone through the query we left on the unsupported repairs of documentation, because otherwise somebody else reading this report would actually claim a loss of funds. But you put even the entire county in the risk of EACC, because the same problem that the owner is asking here reflects on that unsupported repairs and maintenance, where you can have ghost workers in the form of casual workers. You can also have ghost assets in terms of constant issue of bad accounting problem. Because if you look at, I know we didn't look at it, we said we didn't look at it. Chair, I would advise that the way we have treated, because this is the first time we're looking at this also, these reports need to be go and reconsidered with the governor and the auditors. If I'm to extend your leniency that you gave in the previous issue, in fact, this is where you need a lot of leniency to be able to allow the governor and the auditor to go and look at these reports and do a lot of adjustments, even if it's going to be a prior year adjustment. Let the accountant go and do that. Because the query is here that if you leave, even this query, if you leave it just at the face value of it, you will give the county trouble. Somebody else will come and hold this document, might have a different interpretation on a strictly financial understanding. Because what this query will go, if you leave it the way you want to leave it, and the query that we are going to look at next, which I hope we cannot go to, query number 4 under the last query, somebody else might interpret them to be an issue of loss of funds on ghost workers or ghost assets, which I honestly don't want to believe is the truth, given the adjustments that have, the reconciliations that have been given to the auditor. But if you leave it not updated the right way, somebody else holding this document will take these particular queries to EACC for no apparent reason, and then put the government into a very bad light because of accounting issues. And I suspect that is why the auditor gave an adverse opinion on this one. So perhaps this could be a good opportunity to have the county have the standard way of doing financial reports, and they work with the auditors, and then we take submissions and perhaps review this after another 30 days